How to log in to NovaTech account online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your NovaTech account online. NovaTech is a financial services company offering a variety of services including forex and cryptocurrency trading. They provide a platform for investors to trade and manage their investments. Now to get started, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type nova-techfx.io. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of NovaTech. Here once you reach to this homepage, look for the login option. You will find the sign in link at the top. Click on the sign in link and now you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will find the login interface. Here now you will need to enter your credentials. In this first box, enter your email associated with your account and in the second box, enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. You may also click on this I button at the right side to reveal your password and check if it is entered correctly or not. In case if you have forgotten your password and couldn't log into your account, you may also click on this forgot password link right here and then follow the on-screen prompts to recover your password. Also, if you want yourself to be remembered for future logins, you may click on this little square ahead of this Remember Me option. Now after entering all your details, click on this sign in button right here and then you will be able to log into your account. Also, if you haven't created an account on it, you may also click on sign up now button at the very bottom and then from there you can follow the instructions to create an account on NovaTech. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your NovaTech account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.